Welcome to Amazing Facts Day. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of human hair and uncover an amazing fact that will leave you in awe. Are you ready to discover something incredible about those locks on your head? Alright, here's the mind-blowing fact. Did you know that human hair is not only incredibly versatile but also remarkably strong? A single strand of hair can support up to 100 grams of weight, which is equivalent to the weight of 2 apples. Imagine that. This remarkable strength is all thanks to the protein called keratin, which makes up the structure of our hair. Keratin provides hair with its flexibility, elasticity, and durability, making it one of the strongest materials found in nature. Despite its delicate appearance, hair is impressively resilient and can withstand a surprising amount of force. So, the next time you tug on your hair while styling or encounter a gust of wind, remember that your strands are designed to withstand these everyday challenges. But it's not just the individual strands that are strong. When all the hair on your head comes together, it can create a substantial force. In fact, if you were to gather all the hair on an average person's head and pull it together, it could potentially support the weight of an entire elephant. Isn't it amazing to think about the hidden strength within our hair? But that's not all. We also want to give you some tips on how to keep your hair strong and healthy. Tip number 1. Nourish from within. Just like your body, your hair needs proper nutrition to thrive. Ensure you're consuming a balanced diet with plenty of vitamins, minerals, and protein. Foods like eggs, nuts, leafy greens, and fish can contribute to healthy hair growth. Tip number 2. Gentle cleansing. Avoid harsh shampoos that can strip away natural oils and cause damage. Opt for gentle, sulfate-free shampoos and conditioners that provide moisture and nourishment without weighing your hair down. Tip number 3. Regular conditioning. Use a quality conditioner after shampooing to lock in moisture, reduce frizz, and improve hair texture. Conditioning helps to strengthen and protect your hair from environmental stressors. Tip number 4. Avoid heat damage. Excessive heat styling can weaken your hair and cause breakage. Whenever possible, let your hair air dry naturally, and if you must use heat tools, use them on the lowest heat setting and apply a heat protectant beforehand. Tip number 5. Treat your scalp right. A healthy scalp promotes healthy hair growth. Keep your scalp clean, exfoliate gently, and massage it regularly to improve blood circulation and stimulate hair follicles. Tip number 6. Regular trimming. Regular trims help prevent split ends and breakage, keeping your hair looking healthy and vibrant. Aim for a trim every 6 to 8 weeks to maintain the shape and integrity of your hair. Remember, healthy hair starts with a healthy lifestyle and proper care. Incorporate these tips into your routine, and you'll be on your way to strong and beautiful hair. We hope you found these tips helpful in your journey to maintaining gorgeous locks. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, so you never miss out on our hair care content. And don't forget to share your own hair care tips and experiences in the comments below. We love hearing from our amazing community. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep rocking that strong and healthy hair.